Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here of another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to hide or minimize the ribbon bar in Microsoft Word. This is nothing new when looking at previous versions of Microsoft Word. Going all the way back to I believe Word 2003. However, I did want to make a brief tutorial showing this to anybody who was not familiar with minimizing the ribbon bar and making a little bit more space so you could see your Word document a little bit better. So this is relatively simple. What we want to do is anywhere up in the ribbon bar, so it does not matter what tab you are under up here. Most people would be underneath the home tab by default. So we are going to do it from here. Right click anywhere on the ribbon bar. The button option will say collapse the ribbon. You want to left click on that. And then to undo it, just click on any of the tabs up at the top, and when the tab appears, right click any blank space on the ribbon bar and then go back to the bottom option here. And see, it says collapse the ribbon and there is a little check mark next to it. You want to uncheck it, so pretty much just click it one more time and now it will permanently stay back up here when you click out of it. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.